हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हो आप सब लोग। मैं आशा करती हूँ आप सब लोग ठीक ही होंगे। मैं भी ठीक हूँ। मैं हूँ एडवोकेट प्रीजा और आप देख रहे हो मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल सीखो लॉ। और जैसे कि मैंने आपको पहले वीडियो में कहा था कि मैं प्री लॉ सब्जेक्ट से स्टार्ट करूँगी आपको पढ़ाना, तो मेरा फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट है लॉजिक और हम उसमें पढ़ेंगे। माय फर्स्ट टॉपिक इज नेचर ऑफ लॉजिक। नेचर ऑफ लॉजिक मीन्स व्हाट, कि उसका नेचर कैसा है, लॉजिक क्या होता है, लॉजिक किसको कहते हैं, उसकी डेफिनेशन क्या है, इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट, ये सब हम इस टॉपिक में पढ़ेंगे। This is the first topic of logic, that is nature of logic, and we are going to cover introduction, definitions, inference, implications, modern logic, traditional logic and more points in this topic. But before I am going to start introductions, I want to know from you, what is logic? What do you think about logic? According to layman, logic is the trick when we use to solve maths and science problem. Do you think the same? If yes, let's see what law says. Man has a reasoning ability. Man has a reasoning ability, and that reasoning ability, that reasoning power distinguish human beings from other creatures. When that reasoning ability reveals, when we argue, blame, demand to prove, that time that reasoning ability is revealed, and that reasoning ability is called logic. And other creature, they don't have that reasoning ability because they can't speak, they can't talk, that's why they don't have that ability. Human beings have a reasoning ability. When they argue, when they infer, when they demand, that time reasoning ability reveals. Sometimes reason is well, sometimes reason is bad. Sometimes reason is well, sometimes reason is bad. For example, there is A and B. They are fighting in a class. When their teacher asks them, "Why are you fighting?" both of them start giving reasons. A said, "I am bored and I want to make a fun. That's why I am fighting." B said, "A bully me. That's why I am fighting." Whose reason is satisfy you, or whose reason is good? According to me, B give a good reason. But in logic, there is a good reasoning and there is a bad reasoning. There are some expressions to indicate them. For good reasoning, correct, valid, logical, these expressions are used. And for bad reasoning, incorrect, invalid, illogical, these words or these expressions are used to indicate them. Logic furnish some principles or methods for distinguish between good reasoning or bad reasoning, or you can say correct or incorrect reasoning. To distinguish between correct and incorrect reasoning, logic gives us some principles and method. Logic gives us some principle and method. The process of drawing conclusion from data. The process of drawing conclusion from data. We are familiar with this concept. If you don't know, then I will tell you. Sometimes we tell stories to the children. That time we ask them, "Tell me what did you understand from this story in a one sentence." That one sentence is called conclusion and whole story is a data. Now you all clear with the concept of conclusion data? Then okay. The term inference and reasoning are used for this process. The term inference and reasoning are used for this process. In an inference, the thinker passes on from one or more statement accepted as a true to another statement which follows from them. The given statement are called premises. The statement which follows from them is called conclusion. For example, you can see on my screen there are three statements. All honest men are trusted, all good men are honest, and all good men are trusted. In this, the whole three statement is called inference, and first two statement is called premises, and the last statement is called conclusion. There may be in a premises there may be two or more statements they can give us, but right now we have a two statement and we conclude from them. This is a one statement, that is conclusion. There are three terms we learn: inference, premises, and conclusion. The whole three statements are called inference, and first two statements are called premises, that is, all honest men are trusted, all good men are honest. If both of them, if both the statement are true, then third statement, that is all good men are trusted, that also true, because that statement we give, or that statement is followed from above two statement, and it's called conclusion. So it must be a true. If both the statement are true, then last statement is also true. Now you can understand the inference, premises, and conclusion. Okay. Definition of logic, ये next point है. The term logic derived from Greek word logos, which means thought or word. ये जो लॉजिक वर्ड है वो ग्रीक वर्ड से लिया है. लोगोस उसका मतलब है थॉट और वर्ड, सोच. इन लॉजिक वी form a conclusion through various argument. An argument may be valid और इनवैलिड. लॉजिक में हम कंक्लूजन फॉर्म करते हैं, वो हम बहुत सारे आर्ग्यूमेंट के थ्रू फॉर्म करते हैं, और जो आर्ग्यूमेंट है वो वैलिड और इनवैलिड भी हो सकता है. द स्टडी ऑफ द फॉर्म ऑफ वैलिड आर्ग्यूमेंट इज कॉल्ड लॉजिक. Simply stating, logic is an art and science of correct thinking and presenting it in most simple words. लॉजिक क्या है? एक कला है, साइंस है, जो करेक्ट रीजनिंग को, करेक्ट आर्ग्यूमेंट को फॉर्म करता है और सिंपल वर्ड्स में बताता है. ओके. लॉजिक इज द स्टडी ऑफ द मेथड एंड प्रिंसिपल used to distinguish correct reasoning from incorrect reasoning. लॉजिक हमें कुछ प्रिंसिपल्स देता है, कुछ प्रिंसिपल्स, कुछ मेथड्स देता है ताकि हम करेक्ट रीजनिंग और इनकरेक्ट रीजनिंग में डिस्टिंग्विश कर सके. देयर इज अ डेफिनेशन which is given by the Cohen and Nagel. Cohen and Nagel holds that the central topic of logic is implications. That defines logic as the science of implications or of valid inference. Valid inference means what? Valid inference means we draw the conclusion through the premises. We have to draw the conclusion through the premises. If we draw the conclusion from the premises, अगर हमने conclusion draw किया है premises के through, तो उसे कहते हैं valid inference. And what is implications? Implications means प्रीमाइसेस और कंक्लूजन के बीच में जो रिलेशन है उसे कहते हैं इम्प्लीकेशंस. द साइंस ऑफ इम्प्लीकेशंस और ऑफ वैलिड इन्फरेंस, इट्स कॉल्ड लॉजिक. कोहेन एंड नैगल क्या कहते हैं कि जो हम वैलिड इन्फरेंस होना चाहिए. वैलिड इन्फरेंस मीन्स क्या? जो हम कंक्लूजन ड्रॉ करते हैं वो प्रीमाइसेस के थ्रू ड्रॉ होना चाहिए, प्रीमाइसेस को फॉलो करके ड्रॉ होना चाहिए, और उनके बीच में जो रिलेशन है वो इम्प्लीकेशन होना चाहिए, उसे ही लॉजिक कहते हैं। ऐसे कोहेन कहते हैं, कोहेन एंड नैगल कहते हैं। कोहेन एंड नैगल होल्ड्स दैट द सेंट्रल टॉपिक ऑफ लॉजिक इज implications. They define logic as the science of implications or of valid inference. I hope you all understood. Thank you. इफ़ यू लाइक माई वीडियोज़ प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए मेरे चैनल को सीखो लॉ। और अगर आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो की इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए तो बेल आइकन पे क्लिक कीजिए ताकि आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहे। और हाँ, ये टॉपिक यहाँ पे ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है, हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इसको कंटिन्यू करेंगे। सो प्लीज़ देखते रहिए मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल। थैंक यू, बाय बाय।